How to buy Oro.Fun token. So this token came under the symbol of fun. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards for crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours, and also this token trending number 17 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your first wallet for that. After that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. After that, as you can see, so it seems that it's not available in the wallet to be able to buy it from here. Now what you need to do, just we will go to Radium in this case to be able to buy it there. So go to Radium website and wait to load this page. Now first of all, what you need to do, I'll just click on cancel. I'll just close this window. I will just disconnect my wallet to connect it again. Now first of all, click on connect wallet. Now select your wallet, but I suggest to connect the Phantom wallet to like prevent any issues. So select your Phantom, as I said. So after you select the Phantom, are connected to Radium. If you don't see, or if you don't find your token here in the bottom, you can go to this token page on the screener. You can copy the token address from here and go back to Radium. Click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token fund. Now click on add token and click on it again to be able to see it here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive. You will be able to find it here, and after that, click here on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy fund token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.